let's unbox KneeMo with you. KneeMo will arrive in a box like this. Slide the box to open and remove the upper tray so that you can see all components included. The quick start instructions include a picture of all components in the box, along with instructions on how to use your KneeMo. There is also a card with instructions on how to download the KneeMo app. Let's go through the components. 2 active units are included. This is the active unit for your upper leg, or above the knee. You can tell this is the upper active unit because of the KneeMo logo on the face. This is the active unit for your lower leg, or below the knee. It does not have a KneeMo logo on it. 2 straps are also included. The straps will attach to the active units and go around your leg. To charge your active units, there is a dual port charger, and you'll use the included USB to USB-C charging cables with the charger. Let's download the KneeMo app on your mobile device. Open your mobile device camera and scan one of the QR codes, Apple for iPhones or iPads, and Google Play for Android devices. Download the app. This is what the app icon should look like. When it's downloaded, it should look like this on your mobile device. Let's attach the straps to the active units. Let's attach the strap to the upper leg active unit first. You can tell which is the upper leg unit by the KneeMo logo imprint on it. If you receive 2 strap sizes in your box, you'll use the longer strap for the upper leg active unit. Insert the strap like this, with the KneeMo logo on the strap facing towards your leg. This non-slip surface makes contact with your skin and helps to hold the device in place. Then press the Velcro pieces together like this, and you're done with one side. You can now repeat these steps to attach the strap to the lower leg active unit. Let's turn on your active units. There is no specific order required to start the active units. Here, we're starting with the lower leg active unit. Press and hold the red on-off button for 3 seconds. The light will flash blue. This indicates that the upper and lower units are not yet paired. On the upper leg active unit, press and hold the red on-off button for 3 seconds. If the units are paired, the lights will turn green, orange, or red, showing the remaining battery usage time. This chart shows you how to interpret the lighted color. If the units are not paired, both units' lights will flash blue. Turn off both units and repeat the power on and pairing steps. You can also turn off the active units by pressing and holding the on-off button for 3 seconds. You are now ready to place the active units on your leg. You can wear KneeMo over tight-fitting clothing or directly on your skin. Let's start with the upper leg active unit. Again, it's the one with the KneeMo logo imprint. Position it like this. This unit must be on the upper leg or KneeMo will not work properly. And the light and on-off button must be facing up. Pull the strap until it's comfortably tight and then join the Velcro and press together. The lower leg unit, or the one without the logo, goes on the same way, like this. Again, ensure that the on-off button is facing up. Let's take a look at the app and how you can manage your settings. KneeMo arrives ready to use with standard settings applied, but you can also use the app to customize your KneeMo experience and view activity, usage, and battery status. When connecting your KneeMo to the app, first make sure that both active units are turned on. When KneeMo is powered on, you will see the words "Found a KneeMo" like this. Go ahead and push Connect to pair KneeMo to your app. KneeMo will vibrate, showing you that it's connected to the app. Now let's look at the bottom of the screen for navigation. Selecting KneeMo gives you access to information about battery status. You can also disconnect your device from the app here by selecting Disconnect. Selecting Activity allows you to see your usage of KneeMo and allows you to share your activity history with others via standard mobile device options. Selecting Instructions will take you to our website, where you will find information about using KneeMo, common frequently asked questions, and our warranty. And finally, selecting Settings gives you control to manage your experience with KneeMo, choosing your activity and vibration levels. In Settings, you can choose between standard and custom settings. KneeMo comes pre-programmed with the standard setting applied. This setting works well for many users. With Custom, you have control. You can choose your activity, and you can also choose your activity speed. Once you choose your activity, select Apply. If you ever want to switch your settings, for example back to Standard, you can simply select Standard and then press Apply. You can also test and change your vibration level, or how strong the vibration feels. In the Activity section, you can see a record of your KneeMo usage and your step count. You can reset the interval activity record by choosing Reset. Cumulative will show your KneeMo activity from the time of its first use. You are also able to share this record with others. In the Instructions section, you can find access to our website content. Anytime you need a refresh on KneeMo, instructions are at your fingertips. You can reach out to us directly. On our website, under Contact, you will find our email and phone information. If you select the email address, it will automatically set up the email for you to send to us. Now that you know how to set up and use your KneeMo device, let's look at how you charge the active units. First, turn both units on, then plug the charging cables into the active units like this. Now plug the cables into the charger, and then plug the charger into an outlet. It's important to charge both active units at the same time to ensure both are ready for use. The light will flash while the active unit is charging, and will turn to solid green when the units are fully charged. Depending on the charge level when you plug the units in, it could take up to approximately 70 minutes for a full charge. Thank you for choosing KneeMo as part of your journey to pain relief in motion.